Welcome back. We are just 4 days away from the Easter Bunny bringing baskets of goodies to all of our homes.
How fun. All this week we're giving you some food ideas for your celebrations. And our friend and the creator of Cooking for Dads, Rob Barrett, is here with the main feast. Listen, if there's any time of year that you have a ham, this weekend is the weekend. Hallelujah, here's the ham.
Oh, Rob,
we celebrate the most famous Jew of all time by eating ham, right?
That does feel a little strange now that you talk about it.
Welcome back. I'm so good
Hugs
to see
for
you.
all.
So glad.
Thank you. I'm going to sit here so that I'm not like, I'm not, you know, in the way of the movement, because you've got a lot to talk about. These are like the classic dishes. I think there are certain families where they just expect that a scalloped potato dish and a ham is going to happen.
This is it. This is it. And it's really a very, very easy thing to make. For ham, keep in mind that the hams are always cooked.
Yes.
They're always cooked. All you're doing is heating it up.
Yeah.
So if you even want to cut off a couple pieces, throw it in the microwave, that's okay. You know, you don't need to cook the whole ham.
Even the ones where you're putting the cloves and the pineapples, those are cooked generally.
Well,
they're
yes.
smoked.
Well, they're all cooked.
Right.
You're just reheating it, adding some flavor. This is the Costco ham, and I've had such great luck with it.
Good.
My plan for today was to say just follow the directions.
Okay.
But they don't come with directions anymore.
What?
They don't come with directions.
You're supposed to just know.
Right, and I
Throw
Googled
her
it,
in
and
the
it's
oven.
not good, so we should label this how to cook a Costco ham. We'll get lots of hits.
Yeah, so
Okay,
when you buy the ham, it just is like, this one has a bone in.
Yes.
I guess it kind of depends, but the one you got at Costco does have a bone.
Pre-spiral cut, all ready to go, like most of them are.
Oh, that's nice.
All you're going to do is take it out, remove the packaging, put it on a baking or broiling pan.
Okay, like a jelly roll pan?
Right. Make sure you take this off.
What is
This
that?
is on the bottom.
Jeez.
It's a little plastic thing. This will not help the flavor of the dish.
No, I wouldn't think so at all.
Right,
Okay.
and then there's a big debate, do you wrap in foil or not? I wrap in foil because it makes cleanup so much easier.
Okay.
It keeps all the juices in, you pour it out, super easy, but I wrap in foil. People will say, never ever wrap in foil.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right.
The last part is the glaze. This comes with this is a little glaze packet.
This comes with it.
This comes with it, right. No directions, but you got this. So 3 tablespoons, and you put this in a pan, bring it to a boil. When we're heating this up, we're going to do 300 degrees, 15 minutes for every pound.
Okay.
And you're going to get to 140. You know, it's good to have a little meat thermometer or an instant read, 140 degrees.
But again, this isn't like a panic like a turkey where it's like, oh my gosh, it's got to be just right. I mean, that's nice.
Right. If you're cooking it, you didn't get warm enough, throw it in the microwave. Take some slices, heat it up. There's nothing that can really go wrong. It's just way over.
So 140 is just like the good temperature for it, just because it tastes good that way.
Yeah.
It says 140 to 160 online, but you know, I just Googled it. I'll be honest.
Okay, so then so it comes out and it's got this. It looks just a little bit more like shriveled up, right?
Well, so you cook it to 140, then you raise your temperature to 425. Brush on this glaze.
Okay.
Try to get it
near the end.
Right in between, but brush it all over. Put it back in for 5 minutes. That it kind of caramelizes and pull out. You're done.
Okay.
I love that.
Finishing touch is 5
Christian
minutes.
Unz, our executive producer, he has a theory about ham that ham just never ends. You make a ham, you're going to have ham for like 2 weeks. There's just so much ham, and maybe when you put it back in the fridge for leftovers, it like regenerates, and then there's more.
Little ham babies in there
because there's just so much
ham. Soup,
Okay.
all kinds of
I like this.
It's a no miss. You really can't.
All right, so are we going to eat some ham, Paul? You want to have a little bite of this ham?
I want to
and then let's talk about these potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, scalloped potatoes.
Scalloped. See, we had this big discussion. You call them scalloped?
Scalloped potatoes. Is that right?
I don't know. We call them scalloped potatoes.
Alas, I joke. All right, so I'm not a big potato skinner, but this is the time to skin your potatoes because you'll find those little spots that aren't great.
Sure.
And you can peel them out. So, do you have one of these?
Yeah.
These little
The
sideways
I
peelers?
don't know that kind, but I've got another peeler.
This is from the State Fair, and it's just super easy. It's gonna take you a second to.
I think that potato's from the State Fair. That's the biggest thing I've ever seen.
It is a huge difference between. This is the Byerly's Bakers, and the Aldi's about half the size.
Oh gosh.
So if you're looking to how many potatoes to get, I think we said 3 or 4, but probably just 2 of these.
And you want us to use russets, right?
Yeah, but I don't know that it really matters.
Okay.
These are Bakers.
Yeah.
That looks like a $20 potato
I know,
right
that
there.
really
That thing
is.
is
That is
huge.
so
About
giant.
60 cents.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, so we're going to peel them.
The pride of Idaho.
And then we're going to get our mandolin. Do you have a mandolin at home?
I do have a mandolin, but
Yeah, you got to be careful with that.
All right, I'm going to have you slice them.
Okay.
This is the way to go. You can slice them by hand if you want, but using the mandolin just makes everything so much easier.
Do you ever do it in the food processor, like put the slicer attachment on?
I don't because it's a lot more cleanup.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
It is. I do think also it doesn't get them quite as thin. Like your mandolin
This is
getting
consistent,
them
yeah.
really thin.
And I know I'm left-handed. It looks like I'm going to cut my finger off.
Yeah.
I won't. I
So
promise.
when you get to the end here, do this. Do the last little bit here. When you get to the end,
Okay.
Use
Good
a
stick a
advice.
fork in it.
Yeah, Cece, our producer, is getting all stressed out about
I know. I stress everybody out when I have
She's
anything
so
that
nervous.
you cut.
Yeah, that's great.
Listen. I've only cut one finger off.
Now,
so I'm okay.
the
There you go.
scalloped potatoes are gonna, there's a lot of cheese involved, right?
Right.
I mean, but otherwise, it is pretty simple. Like,
Very
the ingredients
simple.
are simple.
So we're going to get a 9x9 pan. We're going to grease it with this little olive oil, but the wise pro tip is bacon grease.
Bacon fat,
Because you
my
got to
friend.
cook up a little bacon grease. And so when you do start with that, that's what we did here.
Yeah.
I saw you you did that yesterday.
I mean,
Is there ever a good
chicken.
place to keep bacon fat?
I
Is
keep
in
it
a
it in
always-
coffee
a jar.
cup by the in the coffee
Yeah.
cup by the
Listen,
side.
I love
sorry.
it. I made chicken breasts
Yeah.
with bacon fat last night.
That
Fine
sounds
Mrs.
really
Barrett,
good.
the fine Mrs. Barrett does not like the coffee cup of bacon grease by the side. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I can bet.
I'm just telling you. Okay, we're going to do layers. Layers, Jerry. Layers.
Okay, layers.
Lots of layers. We're going to put, make a nice one potato thin layer at the time.
Okay.
Great, good.
Then we're going to sprinkle on. So, first of all, we're going to put
There's
some
a layer.
garlic in.
Garlic.
And we've got
Oh,
to
you guys
solve
have
this problem.
You guys have a garlic debate.
So we have the jarred garlic, which I'm a fan of,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have the fresh garlic. Now I have some prepared for you here.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you're going to close your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
And smell, put your hands
Oh.
out, and smell which one, and see which one you think is best.
That's the fresh, I bet.
You're correct.
Oh!
Nice. Nice.
I gotta smell that.
You can
Yeah.
tell by sight.
Yeah.
That's why I had you close
You can
your
tell by
eyes.
sight. But
Wow.
I had my eyes closed.
Right.
I get it, and I think a lot of people like the garlic in the jar. Jay does. He keeps a jar in our house. I just don't. I just like the fresh, and I think it's great. And
Yeah.
there you go.
It's so easy for this. I'll show you why. So
Yeah.
what we're going to do is we're going to put a little garlic on here. Why don't you sprinkle a little cheese?
Oh, a little cheese.
And I
Okay.
do a mixture of Swiss and cheddar, but you can do whatever you want.
Okay, good.
To get a thin layer of garlic here is kind of tricky. You don't want
Yeah.
to get a big glob, so we're just going to peel them off our spoon a little bit here.
Oh, that's
Smart.
smart.
Because you don't want to have a huge globule because you're going to get that bite and you're going to go, yeah.
The nice thing about the minced is it is consistent.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
you do have
Okay,
that
Rob, we
part
just
of
got a
it.
few seconds left,
Okay.
so let's make
So
sure that we
let's
show
bacon.
just
Bacon.
the few more ingredients that go
Some
in.
onion,
Oh,
a
yeah.
little bit of garlic salt, fresh ground pepper.
Oh, good. Look, now he goes into turbo mode.
I
You
know.
guys are on fire.
Okay, so we're going to keep building this up. Our very last one, we're going to
Okay.
do so another layer.
Yeah.
Last one, no cheese or toppings on top.
Okay.
Instead, we're going to take our cream, we're going to pour the quarter cup of cream over the top.
Over
like
the
this.
top, yeah.
Like this. Then we are going to cover it in foil and cook it with the ham. So we're cooking it at 300
Okay.
degrees. I raise that so that we can cook this at the same time. About 45 minutes, 50 minutes for the size, depending on how thick it is.
Mm-hmm.
At 300 degrees, you can take your toothpick, stick it in it, make sure it's
And you're
it's
good.
done.
That's
and
good.
you should be fine.
Oh,
The house
Rob,
smells so
Happy
good when you
Easter.
see
I love
this.
this.
Yeah.
These are
have some.
classics.
Try
I'm really,
some.
yeah,
Yes.
let's get
Here
in
we
on
go.
it. We posted these recipes and then Rob's notes on the Costco ham recipe. I'm sure the Costco people will print them out and attach them with every
I'm sure
ham
they will
purchased.
pay a lot of attention to what
It's
I do.
all on TwinCitiesLive.com.
Yes.
Get it on it, Paul.
Okay,
What
so
do you think?
Next,